Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that promises salon-smooth skin from the comfort of your own bathroom. The Braun Silk-épil 9020 Epilator. This is a rechargeable cordless hair removal device designed specifically for women, and it comes equipped with a fully flexible head, shaver and trimmer attachments, and even a deep massage cap. It's marketed as a wet and dry epilator, which means you can use it in or out of the shower, and it claims to remove even the shortest hairs, leaving skin smooth for up to 4 weeks. Now, let's talk about what this device actually offers. The Braun Silk-épil 9 features micro-grip tweezer technology and is designed to catch hairs 4 times shorter than what waxing can remove, down to about 0.5 millimeters. The flexible head is a standout feature here. It pivots to adjust to body contours, especially in tricky areas like the knees or underarms. That massage pad? It's not just an add-on. It's meant to stimulate the skin pre-epilation for a less painful experience. The whole unit is waterproof and has an anti-slip grip, so you can safely use it during a hot shower or relaxing bath. When I first tested this epilator, I appreciated how intuitive it felt in hand. The design is ergonomic, and the anti-slip grip actually makes a difference when you're working with wet skin. I started with dry epilation to see how much it could handle. And yes, it definitely picked up hairs my eye could barely catch. But where it really excelled was in the shower. Warm water softens the skin and opens up pores, which significantly reduce discomfort over time. The flexible head glided easily over my shins and around my knees, those areas that typically make me flinch or go over again and again with a razor. In terms of practicality, this isn't one of those tools you buy and forget in a drawer. The attachments are easy to swap, and cleanup was simple. I used the massage pad more than I expected. It's actually relaxing, and I liked it as a skin prep step before epilation. So let's break down what worked and what didn't. On the plus side, the flexible head is a real game changer. It hugs curves with minimal effort. The ability to remove super short hairs, that lived up to the promise. Being able to use it in the shower is also a massive win for both pain management and convenience. I also love that it's cordless and rechargeable, no cords to wrestle with in wet environments. But it's not flawless. The epilation process can still be uncomfortable at first, especially on sensitive areas like the bikini line. While it does get less painful with regular use, there's still a learning curve. And while the massage pad is a great extra, I wish there was a storage case included for the attachments. It would help keep everything organized. Is this review helping so far? If it is, go ahead and like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon. It helps Beautyistic continue to bring you real, honest reviews that make your beauty buys smarter. Now, when it comes to price, the Braun Silk-épil 9 is definitely in the premium tier of epilators. But considering it combines multiple tools in one, a shaver, trimmer, epilator, and massager, it offers good value, especially if you've been spending on salon waxes or frequent razor replacements. The quality of the build also supports the price tag. It feels durable, solid, and looks sleek without feeling gimmicky. If you're wondering how it stacks up to alternatives, let's talk briefly. Compared to the Philips Satinelle Advanced, which is also waterproof and cordless, the Braun wins on flexibility and grip. The fully flexible head gives it an edge in comfort and precision. The Remington Smooth & Silky is more budget-friendly, but the Braun still beats it in effectiveness and design sophistication. Build quality-wise, Braun did their homework. The materials feel sturdy, not plasticky or cheap. It's clearly made to last through repeated wet use, and mine still performs like new after weeks of testing. I've seen no drop in battery power or grip efficiency, which is exactly what you want in a tool that's supposed to replace both razors and wax appointments. As for customer support, I haven't personally needed to contact Braun, but the brand has a solid track record for warranty coverage and parts availability. That's comforting if you plan to rely on this for long-term grooming. There haven't been any major updates or reformulations to this model recently, so what you see is what you get, though that also means it's a mature and well-tested design. If the price tag feels a little high for you, you might consider the Braun Silk-épil 5. It's not as flexible or loaded with extras, but it's still effective for beginners and those on a budget. Just know you're trading down on ease and comfort. In the end, the Braun Silk-épil 9020 absolutely delivers on its core promise. Smooth, long-lasting results with more comfort and control than older epilator models. It's best for women looking to upgrade their hair removal routine with something that's efficient, travel-friendly, and minimizes trips to the salon. However, it's not for the faint of heart if you're new to epilation, but stick with it, and the results get easier and better with time. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the link to check out or purchase this product in the description or comments below. If you've tried this epilator yourself, I'd love to hear your experience. Drop a comment and let us know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.